Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries without parchment paper. First, gather your fresh, dry strawberries and your favorite melting chocolate. We will explore several easy alternatives to traditional parchment paper, ensuring your delicious treats come out perfectly every time. Preparing your workspace properly is key to a smooth and enjoyable dipping process. Let's get started with setting up your dipping station. When parchment paper is unavailable, aluminum foil or wax paper work wonderfully. Simply line a baking sheet with either, then lightly grease it with a tiny bit of coconut oil or shortening to prevent sticking. Another fantastic option is a silicone baking mat. These are naturally non-stick and require no additional preparation. Choose the surface that is most convenient for you and prepare it before melting your chocolate. Melt your chocolate carefully, either in a double boiler or in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Hold each strawberry by its stem and dip it into the melted chocolate, coating about 2/3 of the berry. Allow any excess chocolate to drip off by gently tapping the strawberry against the bowl's edge. Then, carefully place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared non-stick surface, leaving a small space between each one. Once all your strawberries are dipped, transfer the baking sheet to the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the chocolate is completely set and firm to the touch. This quick chill ensures a beautiful, glossy finish and prevents the chocolate from melting too quickly at room temperature. They are now ready to be enjoyed or stored in an airtight container in the fridge. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.